Hey everybody, today we're going to try something very new. I already owned an air fryer, but it's a little bit different than this one. So I decided that I wanted to try some different shrimp ideas cooked in the air fryer. So today we are going to try it, and we're going to try it with you watching. So the first thing I wanted to try was coconut shrimp, and so I've got it all ready to go. I got this recipe for the coconut shrimp from wholekitchensink.com, and I doubled it, of course. It calls for half a pound of large tail-on shrimp, 1 egg, half a cup of shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I doubled that. I got it ready in my bowl, just like it told me to do. Mix it all together, all the dry ingredients, and then you're supposed to take an egg. I've got 2, and you're supposed to dip the shrimp into the egg mixture and then into the coconut mixture, then place it here in the sprayed air fryer. So what I'm going to do is I've already got my shrimp thawed and sitting over here, and we're going to do air fryer shrimp 2 different ways. This one is, you know, like I said, coconut shrimp. The other one's going to be just a regular Old Bay seasoning type. So we're going to go ahead and do the coconut shrimp first because it's a little bit more involved. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And remember, I am learning. This is the first time I've ever done this. Okay, so we had to change angles for you. Alright, so you take your shrimp, you dip it in the egg, you dip it in the coconut mixture, really, really good. And then you lightly place it over into the... Oh, I bet we're going to lose this one. Supposed to put this in here. Okay, and it's supposed to be 350 for 10 minutes. Okay. All right, we'll just see how that goes. I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so let's take it out and see what happened. Okay, so it looks done. I mean, I guess. I don't know. All right. Well, they look done. It only took 10 minutes. Hopefully it tastes good. I don't know. much easier to get them in and out with a set of tongs. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is how you, for those of us that don't know how to cook an air fryer, this is just Old Bay seasoning and garlic powder mixed together, and you need to put this on the plate, sprinkle it with your seasoning. Don't dip this because you don't want it coated. I learned that the hard way. You just want it sprinkled on there, and so then you put a single layer, which all this should fit. And I've already caught on how to use this thing, so we'll probably be using this a lot more. You'll see this pop up from time to time in the recipes that I'll be doing. And I've learned also already that it's easier to do this with my hands because it just doesn't lay right with the tongs. Okay, so overall, cooking with an air fryer was pretty easy. I'm still learning the ins and outs of it, but it seemed to do pretty well. And it was a lot quicker than a deep fryer, so that was a plus. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and comment below. See you next time.